Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to sign up with Chat GPT without using your phone number. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so first open up your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Alright, so once you're in here, if you don't want to use your personal phone number to sign up with ChatGPT, what you can do is you can use temporary phone numbers. Now, to get this, you need to open up a new tab and search for temporary phone numbers. So you can choose from these results. So say, for example, let's use this one. Now, you can choose the number that you want to use in here. Now, you can sign up with ChatGPT using this number. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.